Welcome Fanny investors. We are at your service again today, inspiring future millionaires. In today's video, we will be taking a glimpse of the future, where the landscape of employment is undergoing a radical transformation. In the next 20 years, we are set to witness the rise of automation, a phenomenon that will reshape the job market as we know it. Today, we bring you a thought-provoking video that explores the impending changes and highlights the jobs that might disappear or be automated in the coming decade. If you like our videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. A recent study conducted by Oxford University paints a remarkable picture. 45% of all current jobs will vanish within the next 10 years. Automation, driven by advances in technology, artificial intelligence, and robotics, is already making its way into various industries, and its impact is undeniable. From self-driving cars that navigate busy streets without human intervention to robotic arms assembling intricate components in manufacturing plants, we are witnessing the march of progress. While this technological revolution promises greater efficiency and convenience, it also raises concerns about the future of employment for millions worldwide. With that being said, here are the 16 jobs that will be replaced by AI in the next decade. Number 1. Drivers. The rise of autonomous vehicles is a clear indicator that driving jobs are at risk of automation. Companies like Tesla, Google's Waymo, and Uber have been testing self-driving technology, and it's only a matter of time before these vehicles become mainstream. As the technology improves and gains regulatory approval, we can expect a significant reduction in the need for human drivers in various industries. Number 2. Farmers. Modern agriculture has seen considerable advancements in automation and technology. Drones, GPS-guided tractors, and robotic harvesters are revolutionizing farming practices, leading to increased efficiency and reduced labor requirements. This trend is particularly prevalent in large-scale commercial farming, but even smaller operations are adopting automation to some extent. Number 3. Printers and publishers. The internet and digital media have disrupted traditional publishing industries. As people increasingly consume news and information online, the demand for physical newspapers and magazines has declined. This shift has led to significant job losses in the print industry, including printing, distribution, and publishing roles. Number 4. Cashiers. Self-checkout systems and automated kiosks have become common in retail stores and supermarkets. These systems allow customers to scan and pay for items without the need for human cashiers. As the technology improves and becomes more widespread, cashier jobs will continue to be replaced. Number 5. Travel agents. Online travel booking platforms, such as Expedia, Booking.com, and Airbnb, have transformed the way people plan and book their trips. With user-friendly interfaces and advanced algorithms, these platforms provide travelers with the convenience of planning their journeys without the assistance of traditional travel agents. Number 6. Manufacturing workers. The manufacturing industry has been at the forefront of automation for decades. Robots and advanced machinery have replaced many manual tasks, increasing productivity and precision while reducing the need for human labor. Number 7. Dispatchers. Automated systems and artificial intelligence are being employed to streamline dispatching processes in various industries, including transportation, emergency services, and logistics. These systems can efficiently coordinate and optimize operations, reducing the need for human dispatchers. Number 8. Waiting tables and bartending. Automated ordering and payment systems are becoming more prevalent in restaurants and bars. Customers can place orders through touchscreen menus, and some establishments even use robot servers to deliver food and drinks to tables. Number 9. Bank tellers. Online banking, ATMs, and mobile apps have transformed the way people handle their finances. Routine banking tasks that once required human tellers can now be done through automated systems. Number 10. Military pilots and soldiers. Militaries worldwide are investing in unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, and other autonomous technologies to carry out reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat missions. These technologies can operate in high-risk environments without endangering human lives. Number 11. fast food workers. As the debate over minimum wage continues, fast food companies are exploring ways to cut costs, and automation presents an attractive solution. Self-ordering kiosks and automated cooking systems can reduce the need for human workers in fast food establishments. Number 12. Telemarketers. Advances in data analytics and targeted advertising have made traditional telemarketing less effective and more intrusive. Companies now prefer digital marketing strategies that reach the right audience at the right time without resorting to unsolicited phone calls. Number 13. Accountants and tax preparers. Accounting and tax-related tasks are being automated through accounting software and artificial intelligence. These technologies can process financial data, prepare tax forms, and analyze complex financial information more accurately and efficiently than human accountants. Number 14. Stock traders. Algorithmic trading, also known as quant trading, has become prevalent in financial markets. High-frequency trading algorithms can execute trades at lightning speed, making it challenging for human traders to compete. Number 15. Construction workers. Automation is gradually making its way into the construction industry. Construction companies are using drones for surveying and monitoring, 3D printing for building components, and autonomous machinery for various tasks. Number 16. Movie stars. While this might not happen in the near future, advancements in CGI and motion capture technologies are allowing filmmakers to create realistic digital characters. As these technologies improve, we might see a shift toward more digital characters and scenes, potentially reducing the need for human actors in certain roles. That's it, guys. Those are the 16 jobs that will be replaced by AI and automation in the next decade. It's crucial for individuals working in these industries to stay informed about technological advancements and consider upskilling or transitioning to other roles that are less likely to be automated. The job market will continue to evolve, and adaptability will be key to thrive in the future workplace. We finally at the end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on more videos like these. Thank you for watching. Stay humble, stay blessed.